How to upscale an image in OpenArt AI. I am over here at the home page. Let's go to Image, then click on Image Upscale. Over here, make sure you upload an image that you want to upscale. I'm just gonna click on that and then click Upload. Then select the image that you want to upscale. Then select your upscale mode if you want to read about it. Hover your mouse on these and you can read what they do. At the version, you want to do Ultra, which is going to be the highest quality. Then click Upscale. It's going to cost us 25 credits. Click Upscale. Now it's going to take some time, so I'm going to just skip to the end. It has finished generating the image. Let's download the picture and let's compare both of them. This is the old picture and this is the new one. So let's see. You can already tell it has a higher quality, right? So this is much better, right? And the way you can tell, you can look at his face over here and his face over here. It's a bit blur, right? Also the map, you can see the map, barely seen here, but you can see the map here. So much better high quality. Yeah, so this is how you upscale an image in OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching.